All right, back here on Ken's country sedan wagon. The old Wagyu, as the boys and I call it. So pulling the steering box, I got the bolt out of the steering coupler, which, you know, also known as rag joint. Hey, what do you give your old lady when she's grouchy on her period? A rag joint. Nothing? Okay, whatever. See, that's what happens when I'm here alone. I have nobody to talk to but myself. So, anyway, took the hoses out. They were still in there from when we pulled the motor. Getting you saw the couplers out. So I got to get the 3 bolts that hold it on to the frame out, and basically bombs away. All right, so 3 bolts that hold the box on. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes you gotta pull them to the side to stick it in. Giggity. All right, so we'll get those 3 bolts out, and we will do bombs away. All right, got 2 bolts out. We have a new box, so there's number 3. All right, bolts are out. So we'll just give this baby a good old yank, and she will fall right out.